does community support within Hinduism impact mental health? Within the rich tapestry of world religions, Hinduism stands as a unique and diverse faith that places great emphasis on community support and its profound impact on mental well-being. The concept of community in Hinduism extends beyond mere physical proximity. It encompasses a sense of belonging, shared values, and a collective responsibility for the welfare of all members. This essay explores how community support within Hinduism contributes to fostering positive mental health and overall well-being. Firstly, the Hindu belief in the interconnectedness of all beings, known as Atman, creates a strong sense of community and belonging. This interconnectedness translates into a deep-rooted understanding that one's actions and thoughts not only affect oneself but also have repercussions for the entire community. This awareness cultivates a sense of responsibility and care for others, promoting a supportive and nurturing environment. Secondly, Hinduism emphasizes the importance of seva, or selfless service to others. This practice encourages individuals to engage in acts of compassion and kindness, fostering a sense of purpose and meaning in life. By actively contributing to the well-being of others, individuals not only benefit the community but also experience a sense of fulfillment and self-worth, which are vital for psychological well-being. Furthermore, Hindu communities often have well-established networks of support, such as temples, religious organizations, and extended families. These networks provide individuals with a sense of security and comfort, knowing that they have a support system to rely on during challenging times. The availability of spiritual guidance, counseling services, and emotional support within these communities can significantly contribute to promoting resilience and mental well-being. Additionally, the Hindu tradition places great importance on mental and emotional well-being. Yogic practices, meditation, and mindfulness, which are deeply rooted in Hindu philosophy, have been shown to have positive effects on mental health. These practices promote self-awareness, stress reduction, and the cultivation of inner peace, all of which are essential for maintaining good mental health. Moreover, the concept of dharma, or righteous living, provides a moral and ethical framework that guides Hindus in their daily lives. Dharma encourages individuals to strive for personal growth, self-discipline, and ethical behavior, which contribute to a sense of purpose and fulfillment. By living in accordance with dharma, Hindus cultivate a harmonious relationship with themselves, others, and the divine, which can lead to greater mental well-being. It is important to note that, like any other community, Hindu communities are not immune to challenges and conflicts. However, the emphasis on community support and collective well-being encourages individuals to work together to resolve conflicts peacefully and to promote reconciliation. This collaborative approach can foster a sense of unity and strengthen the bonds within the community, ultimately contributing to better mental health outcomes. In conclusion, community support within Hinduism plays a vital role in fostering positive mental health and overall well-being. The emphasis on interconnectedness, selfless service, well-established support networks, spiritual practices, and ethical living creates an environment that promotes a sense of belonging, purpose, and fulfillment. By nurturing community support and practicing the teachings of Hinduism, individuals can cultivate resilience, cope with challenges, and achieve a balanced and healthy mental state.